OMG, it's here, it's here. Ooh la la. I finally got a 3D printer. Finally, guys. Woo-wee. I'm excited. The 3D printer. All right, gonna turn it on for the first time. Okay, it's heating. It smells like a hot glue gun. That's what it smells like. Still heating. Next, insert the card. Card inserted. Print. Well, of course, we're gonna go with, oh, it doesn't give me the option for a dragon. I'm gonna go with squirrel. Print. Oh my goodness, just making noises. Look at it. This is exciting. I wish I had an LED light inside. Ooh. I think what it's doing is mapping everything out. That's what the spool looks like. I see something coming out. Ooh, it looks weird. As far as calibration, I'm not even sure. Supposedly it's calibrated. Oh, things are going. What's it doing? Oh, okay, well. Sounds fun. I turned my light on. I need a little better light over here. It's working hard over here. I'm super excited. It looks like a heart. It knows exactly where to go to. Oh, hello. This is like the third layer right here. It's going pretty fast. Whatever that thing is. It's in the way. But supposedly it's supposed to be a little hairy. I'm gonna come back and see what happens after a while. Supposedly it's supposed to be a squirrel. That's what it looks like with the lights turned off. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. About 10 minutes, and this is how far we got. Like 30 minutes. This is how far we got. Okay, it's done. Look at it. It's a squirrel. A squirrel. It says it took 1 hour and 13 minutes and 47 seconds. All right, here is the finished product. This squirrel. It was actually pretty hard to take it off. It fell on the floor and it survived.